Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say this word, which is French for water, as in a glass of water, for example. So how do you pronounce this? You must know that letters E, A, U together in French form the sound of the letter O, which is in French O, as in chateau, plateau, for example, chateau or plateau, right? E-A-U, O. Now, in French, we do not say O, O. There's actually two sounds there, O and U. O, in English, you'd say O. In French, we just take the first part of that sound, the O sound. L'eau, l'eau is how you'd say it, l'eau. L'eau is French for water, l'eau. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French vocabulary and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.